How to fix HBO Max app not working on Samsung Smart TV. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and your network is working. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that from the main home screen, go to the category of apps. From here under downloaded app, you'll see HBO Max if it's downloaded on your Samsung Smart TV. Then long tap on it. From here, you'll see the option of Reinstall. Select it. Now, after the app has been reinstalled, again, a long press on it. From here, scroll down below and you'll see View Details. Select on this option. From here, if you see the option of Update instead of Open, make sure that the HBO Max app is updated to its latest version, and this will fix the issue. Now, the last step you could do in order to fix your issue is that go to Settings. And from here, select All Settings. Now, from here, go to Support. Now select Device Care. Now, from here, go to Manage Storage. Now, over here, go to HBO Max and then tap on View Details. From here, all you would have to do is choose the option of Clear Cache. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.